says most of adulting is trying to figure out what you're going to eat for dinner every night. Yeah, that's me. I'll be struggling. So much so that I started ordering HelloFresh. So what we're going to get in today is a cooking video. I ordered a new pot and pan set, so y'all going to see me unbox that. You're going to see me unboxing my HelloFresh, where you just saw that. And we just going to cook today. And I'm going to give y'all some ideas for dinner. I think it was one breakfast in there that wasn't pancakes, because y'all know that's my favorite. And then a couple of dinner ideas, and one of them is courtesy of HelloFresh. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna unbox these pots and pans. Let's go. So that is this, and I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. Okay, so set that to the side. Now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pan set. I'll show you. You can kind of see it right there. 3 pots, a little steamer basket, 2 pans, and then some type of utensil. Yep, girl, that's nice. Okay, so this is a boiler. This is not as big as the boiler that I already have, but we'll make it work. Problem is that we're trying to find somewhere for this stuff to go. I had one pan that I need to replace, but I might replace more. So this is the 8-inch frying pan. I hope that's the 8-inch. This is the 7-inch pot, white granite. It looks so nice and clean. Let's see how long it stays that way. And this is the steamer. This is how deep it is. And you have to do a couple of things with broccoli for that. So we'll see how that works out. This is a smaller frying pan. That's good for quick stuff in the morning. This is the last one. So this is the bigger frying pan. So these are the 2 sizes. Maybe they're the same size, and then one is just deeper, and this is wider. Deep and wide, you get it. And then this was the little spoon that came with it. Yeah. Okay, so we can see what we got. So this is the boiler set. That goes like that. And then this is the boiler, the pot. I don't know, y'all call it boiler or pot? We call it a boiler. The pot that goes with the steamer basket. Again, ain't steaming much broccoli. Enough for one serving. And this is the top that I guess goes with this. Yeah, and it goes on there too. Okay, that's cute. And much get tell your friends about. And then this top goes with this, the deep pan. Let me see if it also goes with the wide one. Oh, it does. It goes with the wide one. So let's see if this goes with this. Yeah, so these two are the same size as this top goes with both of these. Okay, I see what they did. Trying to be cost efficient. Give us less tops, more pans. Okay. So again, this was a Carote set. You can see there. Carote. And I purchased this because I just needed some new pans. And my sister was interested in the Carote pans, but then when we looked at the reviews on YouTube, they wasn't giving. Then we found this on sale for I think $89 or $99. So we got this, and she got one as well. And she got hers in a darker gray. I think they had 3 colors: brown, gray, and this white. And then I just saw this. I was like, oh, that'd be cute to go with it. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna incorporate this in my kitchen because I already have a utensil thingamajig that I have in there. So let's see. I don't know if it'd be too much to have all them spoons and stuff just sitting out. We'll see how they go. So what we're gonna do is transfer this stuff to the kitchen. I'm about to make breakfast now. I'm gonna make some fried apples and bacon and biscuits because your girl is hungry. And we're gonna see what it do.
When you want it, baby. When you want it, baby. Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. When I'm with you, it's all of that. Girl, I'm so glad we did it. No letting go, no holding back. No holding back, no, yeah. When I'm with you, it's all of that, yeah, yeah, yeah. They say good things must come to an end, but I'm optimistic about being afraid. Though I make you cry, I do it with keys.
I started cooking Sunday dinner. Forgot all about y'all. So that's what we got. Some potatoes. We're gonna make mashed potatoes. I'm ready to get that. And then we have cabbage cooking here. Oh, steaming. And then in the oven I have a roast on 325. I'll make some cornbread and fry some chicken, because I like to have chicken with my roast since it's not a lot of roast. And I think that's it. So let's get into it.
Oh yeah, when I'm with you, it's all of that, yeah, yeah, yeah. Really appreciate you loving me after all that we've been through. Really appreciate you loving me all time. Got some
tell you what you wanna know, love. There ain't another, don't want no other lover. I put nothing above ya, I kick 'em to the gutter. You try to shake me, wind up loving me crazy now. Look at us lately and tell 'em who's your lady. I never thought you'd be the one, make me shine brighter than the sun. There ain't no ups and downs, no winning outs, you're here right now. You want me to stay, I'll never leave. If you want me to stay, we'll always be. If you want me to stay, love endlessly. If you want me to stay, if you want me to stay, and I believe you. Now how you loving that? We're happy, it's a fact. Can nothing hold us back? We got this in the bag. There ain't no babies, no question, love you daily now. Look at us lately and tell 'em who's your lady.
Okay, y'all, so today we got HelloFresh. I just recently started using HelloFresh because it was recommended, and it has definitely been a lifesaver with me not knowing, trying to figure out what to cook for dinner every day. I do 2 meals a week every other week. I'm set up for once a week, but I usually skip once a week. So today what we're doing is Southwest beef cavatappi. I think that's how we say it. And it gives you all of the ingredients, and I'll show you all the ingredients in a minute. But then on the back, it also gives you step-by-step instructions on, what you'll need to do to make this meal successful. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. All right, y'all. So Kenzie's gonna open the bag to show us what we got in here.
If you want me to stay, love endlessly. If you want me to stay, if you want me to stay, and I believe you.
Okay, y'all. So on the day I actually started cooking this meal for dinner, something happened with the sink and it started leaking under. That's why you can see in a little corner back there we had pulled everything out from under the sink, and I was pretty much waiting on my husband to come home to see what was going on. Because one thing I don't be doing is hard labor. I can cook and clean. That's what I can do. I leave everything else up to him. So I was waiting for him to come home to check that out, and I think that he makes his little cameos when he's under the sink by the time actually dinner is done. So yeah, that's what's going on behind me. We don't normally just have the bleach just sitting out on the floor. So this was the last meal that you see in this video. So if you made it to the end, I just want to thank you for supporting the channel and coming through for your girl. So I just hope that you have a great day, a great week, great weekend, wherever this video may find you. And child, just remember to walk in expectation. Be blessed.